Assalamualaikum. How are you today? I'm fine here, Alhamdulillah. So, today we are going to learn about how to tell the time. Bagaimana caranya kita memberitahu tentang waktu. So, hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana kita mengatakan atau memberitahukan kepada lawan bicara kita tentang waktu atau durasi waktu dalam bahasa Inggris. Example, misalnya tidur. Saya tidur jam 9 malam dan bangun pada jam 5 pagi. So in English, I go to sleep at 9 p.m. and wake up at 5 o'clock. And the time duration is 8 hours. Jadi durasinya dari jam 9 sampai jam 5 pagi adalah 8 jam. 8 hours. 8 jam. Setelah bangun tidur, after you wake up, then you take a bath. Jadi setelah bangun tidur, kalian mandi. So, mandi dimulai dari jam 5.10. 5:10. And then selesainya mandi itu jam 5:20. 5:20. So I start to take a bath at 5:10 and finish at 5:20. So the time duration is, jadi waktunya berapa lama nih? Time durationnya berapa lama? So the time duration is 10 minutes. Good job. Sampai sini mengerti ya? It's so easy. So I have two pictures and then you have to choose. I take a shower. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. Saya mandi kira-kira 5 sampai 10 menit. Which the pictures? Good job. This is the pictures. I take a shower, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. I take a nap, it takes 1 to 2 hours. Which the picture? Good job! This is the picture. I take a nap, it takes 1 to 2 hours. Okay, if you already understand, don't forget to do your assignment and submit at Google Classroom. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much. See you on the next class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.